How to log in into CakeHR employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into CakeHR employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in CakeHR employee account and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address, then enter your password, then tap on the login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. With this, you have successfully logged in into CakeHR employee account. Now you can enjoy various features such as managing your tasks, checking your leave balances, tracking your time, and accessing with other HR resources. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.